This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Turn the Prius V to ready-off mode. Do not start the engine. This means the display powers, but the hybrid system does not engage. Locate the trip meter reset button on the instrument cluster and press, and hold it firmly. While continuing to hold the trip button, press the power button 2 times to place the vehicle electronics in on mode without starting the engine. Watch the multi-information display or odometer when the maintenance light blinks, then shows zeros or clears. Release the trip button to complete the reset process. Navigate to the vehicle settings menu on the multi-information display using the steering wheel arrow keys. Scroll to maintenance or inspection, then select that menu entry to view scheduled items and the current maintenance reminder status. Choose reset and follow the on-screen prompts. Most systems ask you to confirm by selecting yes or OK. When you confirm, the display will perform the reset, and the maintenance reminder icon or message should turn off immediately, indicating the system registered the reset successfully and stored the new maintenance baseline. If the maintenance light persists after reset, verify that the service was actually completed and the oil life or mileage baseline is set to the correct value. Do not reset without performing required maintenance. For persistent reminders tied to stored fault codes, a dealership or OBD-ROMAN2 scan tool can read and clear service codes that prevent the reminder from clearing. Always perform the specified oil change or required service before resetting the indicator to maintain vehicle warranty and accurate service records, and log the date, mileage, and service items when complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.